Today we are looking at WP Force SSL and the lifetime deal that helps you to secure your website with an instant SSL fixes. If your website shows the not secure or warning or makes the content errors, then this tool can fix everything quickly. It helps you to force the HTTPS the right way and makes sure every pages on your site is safe for visitors. And with the lifetime deal, you get all the feature without paying again and again. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. And also we help you to access the best deals and the discount. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the discounted offer link. And you don't need to use any coupon code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from our description. Okay, now let's talk about the WP Force SSL and why WP Force SSL is so useful. Many website owners get confused when their SSL certificate is active but the browser still shows the warning sign. This usually happens because some images, scripts or links are loading through the HTTP instead of the HTTPS. So fixing this manually takes time and can be frustrating. WP Force SSL solves this problem instantly by forcing all of your content to load securely. Once it is active and your whole site becomes secure without editing files or changing the settings in different places. Another helpful feature is the real-time content scanner. It checks your entire site and finds every problem related to SSL. If any page loads insecure content, you will see it in the dashboard. You can fix everything in one place without searching for broken links or the editing your theme. Now this saves a lot of time, especially for the beginners. There is also an SSL monitoring that checks if your SSL certificate is working correctly. If something goes wrong or the certificate stops working, it alerts you. This protects your visitors and helps you to maintain trust. A secure website also improves the SEO and makes your site look more professional. The lifetime deal makes WP Force SSL even more attractive. Normally tools like this come with monthly or yearly payments, but with the deal you pay once and you keep using it forever. It is great for people who manage multiple websites or run client projects. You can secure every site in just a few seconds and you never have to worry about any SSL problems again. If you want a simple way to make your website secure, avoid warning messages, and fix mixed content automatically, WP Force SSL is a very good choice. And the lifetime deal gives strong long-term value. If you want to grab the discount link, check the description. When you use the link from the description, the discount will be applied automatically, so no code is needed here. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Easy Access Tech helping you to find simple tools for your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and check the description for the deal link. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.